friend, it's your boy Trill. So today, single day ago, so anniversary of what happened, sweet tea party. And thankful for we gotta take advantage of what's going on now. Alright? Tar, slowly drop it right at the shoulder. Mm. Relax your shoulder, sit on the tar. Drop your head back slow. Left ear to shoulder, gently drop it chin to chest. And do 3 rotations. Then turn and drop down and drop back. Inhale, lift the head. Exhale, left. Drop the head back. 3 rotations to the right, going from the left. Relax the shoulder. Inhale, lift the head. Exhale out the mouth. Now we're going to scoot up halfway on our chair. Turn the chair when needed. Simple twist, right hand behind, left hand and left right knee. Twist to the right. Inhale. Exhale back forward, swap hands. Right hand and left knee, twist to the left. Gazing over the left shoulder. Inhale. Exhale back forward. Now we're going to be doing a cat-cow. Inhale. Push the chest forward, take the spine, raise the gaze. Exhale, push out. Inhale in. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. So neutral spine. Tar, relax the shoulders, hands and knees. Lift the right leg, cross over the left knee. Right ankle over left knee. Going for a chair, seated pigeon. You're going to simply left hand to foot, right hand to knee. Inhale. Exhale, fold forward. You're going to feel it in the right hamstring and the psoas. Relax the shoulders, deep breaths. Slowly come back up, stack the spine. Gently place the right foot down. And the same with the left ankle across the left right knee. Right hand to the foot, left hand to knee. Shoulder blades together, raise the gaze, inhale. Exhale, fold forward. So the left hip to relax. Relax the shoulders, drop the chin to chest. Deep breath. And all right here. Glutes, psoas, hamstring. Slowly come back up. Feet are aligned. I'm going to walk the feet out just a tad. Use some arm strength. Hands to the side, elbows at 90 degrees. We're going to sit, and we're going to simply thrust the hips up. Dropping the head back, shoulder blades together, chest out for a modified front facing. You can squeeze the glutes to straighten the spine. Gently drop the hips down. Stretch the legs long. Simply fold forward. Keeping the legs straight. Drop the head. Deep breath. Pop toes. Just with the legs straight. Push up halfway. Bring the knees at 90 degrees. You're going to hug the legs or let them dangle down below the legs. Drop the head down. Deep breath. Slowly come back up. Back the spine. Relax the shoulders. And I'll turn you in. Inhale, lift. Exhale, open. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Now we're getting ready for Warrior 2. We're going to scoop halfway. Right here. Left leg back. Toes are forward towards the camera wherever you are. Right knee. Heels should still be aligned 90 degrees. You want to stack the knee. Gazing down the right middle finger. Knee on top of ankle. Arms straight. Deep breath. Left hand to the left leg. Right arm over for reverse warrior. Inhale. Exhale, windmill down. Right forearm to the right thigh. Left arm over for extended side angle. And keep the side of the body straight as possible. Deep breaths. Slowly push back up. Bring yourself back in. Heel toe in. Back into your stance. Arms to the side. Inhale, lift. Exhale, open. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Now, for the left side. Back foot's going to be your right. Toes to the camera out forward in front of you. Left foot forward. Knee on top of ankle. Toes are forward. Still seated. Right leg straight as you can. Gazing down the left middle finger. Deep breaths. Inhale. Exhale, left forearm to the thigh, right arm over. Extend the side angle. Making sure it's straight. We looking good, baby. Flowing on line. And if you get out of line, you hit you with the chair. I ain't lying. Inhale. Exhale, push up. Right hand to the right leg, left arm over for reverse warrior. Deep breaths. Inhale. Exhale up. Heel toeing in with the feet. Inhale, lift. Exhale, hands to heart. Stack the spine, deep breaths. I'm glad that I came from a city that took back some certain kind of power in some way and didn't let anything happen. People in Jamaica appreciated it when we were down there and said, you know, we're glad y'all stand up and fight for each other, you know. We do that all the time. It just was televised and it went viral, but it's all love. So in that, be present and be able to be patient, waiting. It's better. Take your time. Have a seat, or a seat will be handed to you. Continue to flow a deep breath. Thank you for joining me on a quick session and flow. Chair yoga, more to come. As usual, as always, peace, not apart. Yes.